Ginger software is the world's leading spelling and grammar checker designed to help students learn from their mistakes. Ginger analyzes the context of the whole sentence and corrects grammar, spelling, and word usage errors all with the click of one button. Ginger software enables error-free writing while reinforcing learning using next-generation language technology. Let me show you how this incredible tool works. Let's look at a paragraph a student might have typed. To start correcting the text, place the cursor anywhere in the sentence you would like to start with and click on the Ginger drawer or press the F2 key. The Ginger panel opens up and shows what the student typed and Ginger's suggested corrections. They can then click on the Approve button and the corrected sentence replaces the original sentence in the document. As you can see, Ginger very quickly corrects the multiple errors within the sentence at once, providing a much more efficient and faster way to work. For every word that Ginger corrects, you can click on the suggested correction and see possible alternatives. Ginger provides you with sample expressions that accompany each of the alternatives. The student can see the word used in context and make an educated choice rather than just guess. The student can click on the speaker icons next to both the original sentence and the corrected sentence and listen to each and compare them. Ginger highlights the word as it is read aloud, providing auditory feedback and enabling the association of the sound with the spelling.
It was the better vocabulary I have ever been to. I didn't even have to do any homework, write essays and think about when to use a comma or an exclamation.
At any time, the student can click on the speaker icon on the Ginger drawer and hear what they have typed read back to them. They may use this feature by placing the cursor where they want Ginger to start reading the text to them. To stop, click again on the speaker icon on the Ginger drawer or anywhere in the document. This is a great tool for students to proofread their entire document.
I went on a beautiful vacation to a Greek island. My mother, father, and sister came too.
Every time the students click on the Ginger drawer or the F2 button, Ginger is tracking their mistakes, allowing for detailed reporting and customized tutorials. Ginger tracks the mistakes the students make, analyzes patterns in their writing, and categorizes them into very specific topics. It shows each student the 5 topics that they are struggling with the most. For each topic, Ginger shows them examples from their own writing, enabling them to learn from their own mistakes. They can then go to a lesson focused specifically on this particular topic.
The is the definite article. We use the when we talk about a particular or.
After they complete the lesson, they can then answer some practice questions to see if they've mastered the material by clicking on the quiz icon. Ginger acts as a personalized writing tutor, identifying the students' specific needs and then providing them with lessons customized to their needs. For educators, the program aggregates the information it has tracked and presents them with information about a whole group of students. The Educator's Dashboard provides teachers with a great view into the writing of individual students and the class as a whole. It gives them the option to choose a date range. It allows them to decide if they want to see which students wrote the most, which students wrote the least, which students were corrected the most, which the least. These are great tools to help teachers tailor their instruction, evaluate the effectiveness of instruction methods, and monitor student progress. Maybe the student who wrote the least needs to be encouraged to do more writing, for example. If teachers click on the individual student name, it brings them to the screen the student sees when they enter their learning module. The Educator's Dashboard provides statistical information about the student's writing. The teacher can see how much each student has written, how many errors they made, and what percentage of the mistakes were grammar or spelling errors. They can also see the exact errors that a student or a whole class has made. These detailed reports provide an invaluable tool for guiding instruction for both individuals and the entire class. The middle section of the Educator's Dashboard also shows how the class did as a group, including statistics on how much they have written and their improvement over time. On the right, the teacher can see the topics that are most recommended for the whole class. Teachers can use Ginger's lessons for instructing their students in these problem areas. As you can see, Ginger software is an incredible resource that lets students write independently, building up their confidence and communication skills while giving teachers easy access to monitoring student progress and identifying student needs. Please contact us if you'd like to get started using Ginger software in your classroom or if you have any questions.